today in class 8 chemistry we will see the discovery of electrons. So electrons was the first subatomic particle to be discovered in 1897. There is British scientist J.J. Thomson discovered the negatively charged particle known as the electron through the cathode ray discharge tube experiment and received the Nobel Prize for that purpose. So J.J. Thomson's cathode ray experiment, if we see that Thomson they used a special tube, that is discharge tube, for his experiment. It is hard, cylindrical and glass tube that consists of two metal plates called the electrode, each sealed at the each of the tube. The metal plates are connected to the two terminal of the high voltage battery. The metal plate that is connected to the negative terminal act as a cathode, and the metal plate that is connected to the positive terminal, that is the anode. So vacuum pump is connected to one side and a tube is lowered pressure inside the tube. For this experiment, actually Thomson passed very high voltage electricity, that is 10,000 volt through the discharge tube at a very low pressure, that is 0.001 millimeter mercury. The principle behind the experiment was that gases as a poor conductor of electricity, that is under normal condition, but very high voltage under low pressure condition, and they became good conductor of electricity. His observation was that during the experiment a continuous stream of rays was emitted from the cathode ray. He called these rays as cathode ray. A fluorescent green glow was observed at the other end of the tube. The cathode ray were found to be moving from cathode region to anode region. This proved that the ray consisted of negatively charged particle. Through his repeated experiment with different gases, he concluded that the observation remained the same. What are the characteristics of cathode ray? That cathode ray characteristics, if we see various experiment performed by J.J. Thomson, and first was that cathode ray travel in straight line. When an object is placed in path of cathode ray, shadow of that particular object appears other end of the discharge tube. This shows that cathode ray travel in a straight line. Cathode ray consists of fast moving particles. Second, that is the light pedal, if we put in the path through the cathode ray pass the start rotating, that proves that cathode ray consists of stream of fast moving particles. Cathode ray are negatively charged particle, that when electric field is applied in the path of cathode ray, it tend to bend towards the positively charged tube, and this particle is termed as the electron. And this is found that all the matter atom contain negatively charged particle, that is electrons. Ratio of electric charge to mass, that is E by M, is constant. Thomson also found out that the charge to mass ratio of particle that constitute the cathode ray is constant. So irrespective of the material of electrode gas discharge tube, the ratio E by M was calculated to be 1.78 into 10 to the power 4. If we see 1.78 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram. So if we see the characteristics of electron, the mass of electron, that is 9.1 in 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and equal to the mass of 1 by 1837 times the mass of hydrogen atom. Mass of electron is very negligible. Electrons are particle with unit 1 into negative charge, that is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and also an electron is represented by symbol E, minus E in subscript and 0 on the superscript, that is represent the mass minus 1, and that is 0 is the represent the mass, and minus 1 represent the 1 unit negative charge. So today up to that, next we'll start with another topic.